morning guys, mabuhay, aloha, og may buntag ni Liok na sa camera. Good morning Hawaii. Ko sa Wailea kay akong dili pick upon pero kitaon na ako akong misis nga si Odessie ni adto siya og Marriott kay nag-check-in sila. Kay nami apilan nga wedding karon ug isa siya sa bridesmaid. Atay naman di pulis nga og kita. Organic ni stop ko. Dilawon ta usab. Hindi kay ngadlaw karon. Mayon tag makaligo og beach, gusto ko maligo beach kay. Net kayo, my gosh. Kakapagod ako puti na kayo. Alright. Dede mi karon sa wedding some friend King Kamehameha. Nice, have fun. Wala ko ka-vlog but I have a lot of clips. Gusto mo matanaw sa ilang video, sa mga video, ilang video, akong video, among video. Watch this.
Vlogs. So today we're gonna go to the mall. Welcome to Visaya Vlog.
Yeah.
No, you're wrong. It's Gabe Vlogs. So today we're gonna go to Kahumanu, I mean, mall to go shopping, walk around.
Person who is making these vlogs is currently driving. So I have to hold the camera.
Good job.
Here, the woman is the wife.
The woman is the wife.
It's just
Hello.
Hello, welcome back. We're inside the mall.
We're inside the mall. Hi guys. Nami sa mall. Kahumano. Maglaglag ko nung Jaime kay banding sa mga chikiting patrol. Like this one. Look at this, the social cousin with an extension eyelashes. Social cousin.
I'm the gay
cousin.
Social with a nail.
The social.
We look famous here because walang tao na carry yung camera. So we look like we're like famous reality stars. Even though we're not. I work on the clock.
You work on the clock?
I work on the clock. I pay people pay me.
Ah, talaga?
Bongga talaga.
Talaga.
I want to support the toy.
Mao na silang reason nga ga-vlog me kay para makag
Actually,
stove vlog.
I gave them the idea of vlogging. I was the one that I was the one who said to start vlogging at Seattle about your life.
Oh, thank you, Chelsea.
Where are the reasons?
Yeah, they are the reason
Where are the
why
reason
we're
why
vlogging.
we vlog?
So that they could watch us in Washington. Bogart. And
No, thank you.
kilikili.
Ganahan ko sa isang the reason
Ate
why
Jona.
I'm a date.
Ate Jona. Toink, 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 toink. Ay, munti kang ulta.
Where are we going?
We're going to Lahaina.
Lahaina.
Welcome to Gay Vlogs. We're at the party now. This is my friend. Friend, yeah. It's so cold. We came back from Barnes and Nobles. I think we recorded there or not. I don't know. But yeah. So let's go back in the house. There's a pig. You guys want to see the pig? We cooked the pig, everybody. Because it's somebody's birthday. I don't know who. But it's Uncle Kenny's birthday. He's right there. So I'm in the house. Isn't it nice? Having fun, talking about stuff, yelling, playing around. So yeah. We all finished eating and now we're eating ice cream. So yeah. So please comment down below and like this video and subscribe.
Let's take a minute, having some consider, we can have this conversation. Okay, guys, I would like you to meet Ninia and her daughter, Season. Season, say hi. What is your season? Summer. Akong Nalan? Panalang? How do you say name? Ano pangalan mo? Ano panalan mo?
Napin niya old. Ay, kuha man lagi na ito. Dirty kitchen on the making.
Sa ibang bitipit.
Nagunsa mo? Kung mga workers, uy, hinay kaayo lang ngayon. Aloha! Naami sa beach in front of Four Seasons Hotel and Grand Wailea.
Muna ang Wailea Beach.
Social kay mga pangalan ba pero wala man mi nag-check-in diya. Nani lang mi dire kay public beach man gyapon siya.
Init ka adto. Nami karon sa Wailea Beach, isa ni siya ka public beach but one of the big beach, one of the best beach over here. No?
Yes.
Wailea Beach ko. So kung namoy tayo makaanhi dire, Wailea Beach. Down Wailea. So init kay karon ng panahon which is ganahan kay uban pero kami kapalandong may kay init ka adto.
I know.
Pilipino
Pinoy biya.
asa mo mag-rent kog paddleboard karon so tora de ang duha na mo ka bodyguard oh.
Tora day sila oh.
Mga pahangstrada ba tara. It's right there.
Alam mo yung Grand Wailea, ay gusto nyo mag-dip sa pool.
Oh.
And we realized that they are wearing a bracelet.
Okay.
Renovation. Lagi na. Tama. My best friend since birth.
What's your name? Introduce your name in Visaya word. Ako di ay.
Ako nagapuyo. Lumulupyo.
Lumulog yun diri sa Dakbayan sa Kahuloy, Maui, Hawaii.
Ako Bisayang dako.
Oh. Hi, Nanay B. Karon sa Max Restaurant. Ulaw lang kayo ba? Uy! Spell mo! Ulaw.
What's the spelling sa Behon?
Behon ba?
What's the
B-E.
spelling?
B-E.
or Canton? Sa Behon na. Karon pa na ako nakiyaw. Hello! You don't know what you're missing.
What do you mean?
Nakita, mataya na nalibin. Siya ninanabi sabi ng kwak-kwak. I only know one word and I'll try to tinatamad ka lang eh.
Okay, okay. Cool!
Hi, Emerson here. Subscriber.
We were playing basketball, and then there's this cute little baby.
Oh, I love you.
Please. Yeah. It was so fun earlier, and I'm like sweating to death. I'm like sweating to death. Like, cause we were playing basketball. Garfield's team won, and yeah. So at 7:30, there, you won't see me, okay? So comment down below if you like me to take over this vlog or make myself a vlog. So please subscribe to whatever it's called again, Visayang, Helloing, Visayang, nobody know, Visa vlog. So,
Hello! Last day in Maui.
girls out there, I hope you know what these are. Hold it. So, goodbye!
pull up right along position so the tray table in front of you. Please ensure that all carrying items are stowed